Hi, this is the part 2 of a tutorial about how to create a news machine with PHP and how to generate the source code for PHP. Now, at the previous we created the news underscore ang.php. This is it. So news underscore ing.php and upload it to the server's subdirectory or folder. If you haven't got an idea how to create a connection.php to connection to the MySQL, you could create with PHP generator. Choose English, and here you can see the details about it. This is a MySQL connector maker. You didn't need to add your private information about your connection. You could create a parameter, a template how to create it, username. It creates a source code which is the connection.php. So open a new file and add these source code, PHP source code, and it creates a MySQL connection, and replace your username, password, database name and host. It's usually localhost or an IP which is (127.0.1), or it's usually 192.168.2.1, or forward which is 192.168.1.2. but you could see the how to when you register a domain or a server, or register a free server. They could send all the information about how to set up a location to your MySQL server. So open a connection.php and fill and replace these information, and you can go to the PHP myadmin and create a search and select all the rows where the language has an option which is English, for example, and go, and it creates an SQL query. You could copy and insert to the news underscore english.php code at the SQL command. Let's copy that, and it select that rows where the language value has equal with English. You could delete the convert parameter, but I offer you to to leave it. Alright, and let's see what happened. Upload this news PHP to your server and see what happened. php code.hu that slash news underscore english.php. I miss one. PHP myadmin news, not PHP myadmin, PHP generator. This is my subdirectory. Alright, and what happened? There is no data because I missed something. This is an equal sign. Alright, let's try it. Recopy and check. Oh, these are the rows where the language is in English, and another options. You could add the YouTube link, because meanwhile I upload the first part, so I could add the link, which is a YouTube link, so I could browse it and update at the YouTube link. But it has two parts, so I will create a PHP code which explode this string into 2 or 3 or 4 parts. So I have the second part of this tutorial. I could list with a comma, alright, and see what happens. YouTube link, and this is it. You could correct or make a little beauty of this code, which is at the link. You could create a link to this YouTube, for example. And replace this part. If you wanted to write down this character, you must escape it, because print command could not able to write it. Alright, and copy that, and this is a YouTube link, but you must add the link to another parameter, which is target equal escape this character, and use the blank option to the link. And that's all. If you wanted to do another language, write over the SQL query, which is where language is, I don't know, French. And that's all. Thank you for watching, and let's try it. If you got question, write it down. Bye bye.